friends, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you for stopping by again to watch my video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment below for anything that you would like me to do. And I'm also thanking all my new subscribers, my old subscribers. Thank you all, and I really do appreciate you supporting me in this journey. So today, in today's video, I am making a modified version of the black soap paste that I made earlier. So the two versions still works in helping to clear your acne, helps in whitening your face, your skin, and they're super anti-aging. I cannot tell you enough about this black soap paste. It has helped me tremendously. It cleared up my acne, it helps with softening my skin, and it helps with it's just gently exfoliating, you know, to clear out all the dead skin. So all the ingredients I'm going to be adding in this paste is going to help with not only clearing your acne, blemishes, it removes dark eye circle. They're also going to help with whitening and lightening your skin, and also super moisturizing. So if you want to know how I make this, please stay tuned as we get into it. So the first thing that we need, of course, is our main ingredient is the black soap. So this is the black soap. The black soap, which is made from the plantain pods, is really good with skin conditions such as acne, eczema, any kind of skin issues you're having, pimples, rashes, psoriasis. It helps to clear them out. So the black soap, it comes in a block like this, which is already made. So what I did is I shredded it into my container, and I went ahead and using the double boiler method, what I did is kind of try to soften it a bit. So now it's hard again, so I'm going to go back and use the double boiler method and soften the soap a little bit, so it will be easier for me to mix in all the other ingredients. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is I am softening the black soap now. As you can see, it's beginning to, you know, be soft. So if you cannot use the double boiler method, you can also put this soap inside a pot and then put it on the heat until you know, dissolve it, or just to get it to be soft, and then you'll be able to start adding your other ingredients to it. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna keep stirring it until I get the consistency I want before I start adding all the other ingredients. So stay tuned, I'll show you again what it looks like. Okay, so this is the soap. Now, as you can see, that is all softened. So I'm gonna begin to add the other ingredients. The first thing that I'm going to add is a tablespoon of Amla. This is Amla powder, and this is very good. It has a lot of antioxidants, and it contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten your skin also, and it helps to tone and tighten your skin, making it firm and, you know, very soft. So I'll be adding a tablespoon of the Amla powder. Okay, so this is the Amla powder. Next thing I'll be adding is the turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is good for acne. It helps to clear blemishes. It's also good to moisturize skin, get rid of wrinkles and dark circles under the eyes. It also reduces inflammation due to having high quantities of antioxidants, and it helps to slow cell damage, which will help with slowing down signs of aging. So this is the very good stuff. So I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of this too. So this is it. We add that here. Next ingredient I'm going to use is the carrot powder. And carrot powder also has antioxidants, and it helps to help the skin to glow, and it diminishes blemishes and help with anti-aging too. So I made this carrot powder myself, and I'll leave the link down below if you like to see how I make it. So I will use 1 tablespoon of this too. Okay, here is the carrot powder. Next ingredient I will add is the orange peel powder. The orange peel powder also has whitening properties and is beneficial in reducing acne scars and blemishes. So this also has a lot of antioxidant, and I made this myself. The link of how to make this will also be in the description box below. So we'll be adding also 1 tablespoon of the orange peel powder. Okay, so the next ingredient I'm going to use is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder has antibacterial properties. This is pure sandalwood powder I got this from India. So this has a lot of antibacterial properties, which helps the skin to fight the bacteria causing acne, and it helps the skin to look flawless. This is really a very good stuff. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of this too. So that is added. Now the next ingredient that I will add is the milk powder. Milk powder is very good in whitening the skin because it has lactic acid, and lactic acid helps to gently exfoliate our skin, revealing a more youthful skin with a youthful glow. So this is very good. I'm using this kind of powder milk. Some people you can also use a goat milk powder if you have it, because this is going to be a paste. We're not using any liquid in it except for the aloe vera gel, which I will add later, so this is good to use. It helps with gently exfoliating the skin. It helps by peeling off the dull skin on top of damaged skin, which is due to sun exposure or pollution. So it also acts as gentle skin bleaching and whitening. So this is good stuff too. So I will use 1 tablespoon of it as well. So this is it. Put it down here. And now the next thing that we are going to be adding is licorice root powder. I'm using organic licorice root powder. This is good, and it helps also to with diminishing the appearance of dark circle under eyes. It helps with removing discoloration and age spots on your skin. So this is good. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon also. Alright, so we add that, and now the next thing we're going to be adding is our raw honey. I'm using this. This is the raw honey. So I will use 1 tablespoon of the raw honey, which I'll add here. Okay. Now the next thing that I'm going to be using is my aloe vera gel, which is here. This I made myself. You just get a fresh aloe vera gel and peel off all the gel and from there, and store it in the refrigerator till you're ready to use it, or you could just use the fresh one right away. So this is my aloe vera gel, and I add a 1/4 cup of that. So now on to my oils. I will be using papaya oil, which I made myself. Papaya oil is also good for skin lightening and moisturizing our skin. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of that. I'm going to add orange oil too. I'll add 1 tablespoon. All these oils I made myself, and the link will be in the description box below. I also have my carrot oil. I'll add 1 tablespoon too. And then my pineapple oil. One tablespoon also. Then the vitamin A oil. Okay, the vitamin A oil is in. And then after you add that, then you begin to mix all the ingredients together. See, now we mix everything together to create the smooth paste. So I'm gonna keep mixing this because I'm going to be pounding this like until everything is all mixed in together, as you can see. Okay, I will come back and show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is what the soap looks like. The paste looks like after I've mixed up everything. So this is really a good stuff. Even though the look might not be that pleasant, but it really works. It really works. So I made the first batch and I used it and it worked on my skin, and then that's why I'm making another one. And the first version that I make, it also works, but this I added more ingredients to boost the power of the skin lightening and whitening and moisturizing. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Comment down below, like, share, subscribe to my video, and I hope to see you soon next time. Thanks, guys.
Paint the sky.